Saturday, August 30th, 10:24 a.m. New York time. Welcome back, investors, to Winning Wall Street's Money. Ending a month, getting ready to come into a new month. Yep, September, the Federal Reserve scheduled to meet to vote on interest rates. We're going to see what they're going to do, change them or raise them. If they lower them, typically that affects the currency, devalues the currency, makes the currency lower. The United States is not the only country with central banks, aka Federal Reserve. Other countries have them. So we'll look at several currencies. First, we'll look at the US dollar index. US dollar index is an index of several currencies. The top three in the index are the euro, the yen, and the pound, followed by the dollar, Swedish crown, and Swiss franc. Again, the top three are the largest weighted average, the euro, yen, and British pound. So for the month, we made a higher high, higher low. And then we closed down red. The overall momentum has been down. Here's the high for the year. Here's the low for the year. Here's the high of 2022. A lower dollar means you have to use more dollars to buy products and services. It means other countries could buy US dollar at a lower cost and they would pay less for products and services. So that's another sign of doing business. So if you're not earning higher income, you're going to have to shop or decide a pivot of what to cut back on. Here's the euro inverse from the US dollar. The overall trend has been up. The Japanese yen made a lower high, closing back inside that prior candle. Tight consolidation range since last year, building a lot of energy. Here was a huge consolidation, built energy, broke down. So now we might be seeing what? Seeing a W pattern here. Might see up. We'll see what happens. The British pound, yep. Lower high, close green back inside that big body. Again, it's grinding up. Australian dollar, yep, lower high, lower low, the prior month. Again, huge consolidation the past several months. Canadian dollar, lower high, lower low. Trend is down and closed back inside the prior body. Swiss franc, same thing, lower high, lower low. Small trading ranges too, you notice. Mexican peso, all-time new high for the year. It made a higher high, lower low, and closed above that prior body. But new high for the year. Again, the US dollar is trending up. Two largest trading partners to the United States, Canada and Mexico. You're paying more for imports. Costs more dollars. Chinese yuan, new low for the year. So that new low for the year means the US dollar is declining against. Yep, this is the Forex pair. When this goes up, that's stronger dollar. Going down, stronger yuan. So again, import products from China costing more. You have to convert your dollars into their currency to buy that. They are gaining strength. So we got Mexican peso gaining strength, yuan gaining strength, Chinese dollar, and Canadian, many currencies, Canadian too. Here is Bitcoin, all-time new high for the month, and huge sell-off. So just a quick zoom in to see the last candle. See the zoom in some more. They've closed green. Yep. So intraday, intra-week on those, they're trending up. Again, those currencies are getting stronger. US dollar is getting weaker. We'll see what happens come again next month when the Federal Reserve meets. But again, there's also a thing called confidence. U.S. debt is raising. Confidence in selling U.S. yields. All this takes a impact and causes a weaker dollar as well too. Starts with policy from the top down. Thank you as always spending just a little bit of time with me. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching.